Shanna from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another layout for Scraptember. Today's prompt is single photo, and I'm also combining this with Mixed Media Mayhem, and this week's prompt is actually a scrap lift by, I think, Maura O'Reilly. So I'll pop that up, and y'all can see what we're scrap lifting. And we're just going to get to it. So we're going to have fun. We're going to use paint again. It's kind of become my go-to. But isn't this pretty? I just have to show y'all. I did some gel printing for the first time the other day. And this was my remnants of that. But it's pretty just to look at. Okay. But I couldn't find any more not dirty. So I'm going to reuse that and hope it's okay. So, I am going to use a picture of my son Blake at the dentist. And I thought it was a really cool photo because his x-ray is up in the background where you can see where they did a root canal on his tooth. And I have some doodled stars that I did. And I have this that I made for a swap not too long ago. And I have some extra teeth that were done in a swap. I don't know who made those. I did this title on the Cricut. This is at the dentist. And then I have these that I pulled because they made me think of the old x-ray films. You know, where they used to pop them up on the thing and look at your bones. And I picked this paper. It's just a plain gray pattern because it reminded me of wallpaper at the dentist office. This is going to be a really easy layout. I know I say that but every time, but it really is. It comes together really fast. And, okay, let me lay this to the side because we're going to make a mess. I am going to use paint, like I said, and I have, this is just plain old acrylic paint. I have Laguna and Limeade, and I thought these were really pretty, and they match the stars that I doodled pretty closely. So, my plan is I'm just going to squirt a little bit on here in both colors. And then I'm just going to take this paintbrush and brush it down. And then I'm just going to imprint it onto my paper. To kind of do my own little background thing going on. So, hopefully I have enough paint. And I don't mind if it mixes together some. It just gets really neat. Get a booger in there. A paint booger. Okay. Mix them together a little bit in the center. Okay. Just make sure I got enough on there. I'll lay that over there. And this is just a regular piece of white cardstock. And I just wanted to do it like this. It's pulling off some of the paint that was on there, but it looks cool. Okay, so I'm going to lay that to the side. Now we have our pattern going. And then I'm just going to take some watered down black acrylic paint. I do have some paper towels here to wipe the paint off, but it is acrylic, so it's not hard to get off. And I'm just going to splatter some black on there. Sorry, I'm up and down, and my chair is hung on my charger cord. Just going to do some splatters. Okay. I think that's good. Happy with it so far. And then we're going to add our other stuff in. Let's see, my paper. Okay, it's all over here. I am going to dab this because it's still pretty wet. And it's going to be covered up anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm just going to glue this down. I really like this butterfly side of the paper. This is just from one of my 6x8 paper pads. Been using lots of the smaller pads this month. I'm so proud. Okay, so I'm putting that down. And then I'm going to do my film strips. I'm going to put them on the shiny side. And I am going to, excuse me, I am going to use double stick tape to stick those on. Because it's hard to glue acetate down. So, I'm going to put this here. And I apologize if there's a glare from the lights. And I am going to put my picture down. Okay, it's actually not a glare, yay. Okay. I'm just going to put my photo down here. And I'm going to add on my embellishments. I'm going to create a little cluster here. I'm going to put this on foam. Uh-oh. My glue is leaking. I mean, not my glue. My paint is leaking over here. I store my paint bottles upside down and I flipped it back over, but apparently it's coming out on my table. Okay. Everything is sticking to me. Okay, so we're going to put toothpaste there. And we are going to, I think I'm going to put the toothbrush up the side here. Get some more foam. There's that. And then I'm just going to build all of this in. I think I'm going to put this tooth on foam. And then I'm just going to glue these little teeth in. So, let's see here. I'm going to tuck this one in over here. And then just pretty much creating a cluster. Okay, there's that. And then I have my title, which I think I'll pop on foam too. Just give it all a little dimension. Blake is getting ready to get his wisdom teeth out. during fall break in October, so he's getting all 4 surgically removed, so that should be fun. Okay, a few of these I'm going to pop on foam, and then the rest of them I'm just going to glue down. So let's do that one there. I just did these just to be doodling and watercoloring just for the fun of it, and I did hearts too. I did hearts and I did stars, and then I just took time to doodle them and cut them out and all that. So I figured I have them here, why not use them? If you have not doodled your own little embellishments, you should. You totally should. It's so relaxing, and you still get to be creative. You don't have to have any drawing skills. You can see all of these are a little bit wonky, and you know, they're not perfect by any means, but I like them. So that is going to be the layout. Look how cute. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Be sure to check out the playlist below of everyone else playing along. And until next time, bye y'all.